Solve 3x minus 5 over 4 is equal to 2x minus 9 over 3. Now the main sort of method of doing the equation with fractions is to find the LCM of the denominator, or the lowest common denominator. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12, and therefore if you multiply both sides of this equation by 12, you're going to get the following. 12 3x minus 5 over 4 is equal to 12 2x minus 9 over 3. Now you'll notice that 4 goes into 12 3 times, and 3 goes into 12 4 times. So basically, by multiplying by the LCM, or the lowest common denominator of 4 and 3, you remove the fraction, so it makes the equation much easier. So we now have to solve 3 times 3x minus 5 is equal to 4 times 2x minus 9. So multiplying out, we're going to get, so expanding the brackets, we're going to get 3 times 3x, which is 9x, 3 times minus 5, which is minus 15, 4 times 2x, which is 8x, and 4 times minus 9 is minus 36. You then look at 8 and 9, which is the lower. 8 is lower, so you take 8x from both sides. 9x take away 8x gives you x minus 15. 8x minus 36 minus 8x will give me minus 36. Don't forget to leave the minus sign in. Then the next thing to do is to add 15 to both sides. So adding 15 to this side gives you x, and then minus 36 plus 15 gives you minus 21. Now you can check to see whether you've got the solution right. If you take the left hand side, which is 3x minus 5, and replace x with minus 21, so you get 3 times minus 21 minus 5 over 4. That's going to give you minus 68 over 4, which is equal to minus 17. Now you take the right hand side, RHS, and then replace x with minus 21. 2 times minus 21 minus 9 over 3 is going to give you minus 51 over 3, which is minus 17. Now these two are the same, therefore we have balance. This is equal to this, for x is equal to minus 21, and therefore the final answer is that x is equal to minus 21. So this has been a video to show you how to solve equations which are algebraic fractions where the number is in the denominator. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.